Dear Universe, the person who is listening to this prayer is in urgent need of some instant cash. Whatever I have asked in my prayers has always been given. I am so grateful and so thankful for all the blessings that have been showered through my prayers. This prayer I am making in the name of the listener who needs this money to buy some groceries, to pay the rent, to pay his bills, to support his family, to pay the school fees, to pay university fees, or for any good purpose. I pray this money be granted in the name of the listener immediately and instantly. I pray this money reaches the listener within next 24 hours or less. I know money is the easiest of all miracles for you to manifest. I claim this money reaches the listener instantly and immediately. Thank you, thank you, thank you.